The most unexpected thing in my bag is... I'm Sherry Cola. Now the question is, are you ready to spill it? Ooh. So this beautiful bag is a classic Gucci. I would never buy this for myself, okay? My mom got it for me on my birthday because she was just sick of my I was rocking this Adidas fanny pack for almost 6 years. She's like, can you act like you're on TV? If I'm gonna be candid, it's usually messy in here. There's no like sections, there's no, you know, different rooms. It's just kind of chaos. They call me Sherry Poppins. Whatever you need, I have it. I do have a little bit of makeup. This is lip stuff. Tower 28, shout out to Amy. This isn't me on the day-to-day. I don't wear makeup when I'm just going to the store, going to the bank. I've actually never in my life done my own makeup. I just never learned. I will say though, something that I can't live with, as a matter of fact, I think I'm borderline addicted, is the classic black chapstick. This is what punctuates my every move. There's one on my nightstand. There's one in my car. There's one in my panties. There's one behind my ear. There's one between my toes. I have to stay ready. I feel incomplete if this is not on my lips. Oh, what? Is she a magician? I always use my voice. Okay, that's my superpower. Therefore, throat coat. I used to work in radio, and one of the jobs was putting together the green room. This was on Alicia Keys' writer. Lakers for life, okay? Kobe Bryant is and will always be my god. This cute little melon popsicle, and a little adorable pan, and this little dangly thing. Gen Zers, you know? I identify as a Gen Z. I'm a Gen Zennial. Those are the keys. I'll make copies for everyone here. Boom. You see all this hair? Yeah, I don't wake up like this, okay? This is a bungee string. Like you could literally rock climb with this thing. So I always keep this around, a little double knot, triple knot. We'll get this, you know, these locks in a natural, organic, messy bun. Any time of day. Red envelopes. You think this is a joke? I actually have these all the time just in case. For baby showers, we give red envelopes. Gifts are also nice, and gifts I also do, but Chinese people, we love to just give money as a gesture of a support and, you know, manifestation, etc. I actually have this one in here from my mom from the recent Lunar New Year. Another one of these bad boys. Oh my God, you know, it sometimes it's a 3D experience. Things will pop out, you have to stay ready. Purple pen. Oh, also Flex, Kelly Clarkson show. These, okay, look at this beautiful jade medley. Honestly, this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. I got this at the Buddhist temple, along with this one. Then I wear these every single day. I'm gonna put them on, as a matter of fact. I took them off to put them in my purse for this occasion, but here they are. Stunning. Oh my God, this is too cute. Wait, this is actually a Polaroid photo of me and my Joyride family. This was in San Francisco. I love these people so much. Like, another thing in my bag that is necessary, the Boiling Crab gift card. This is my favorite restaurant, period. Like this would be my last meal. Seafood broil, sausages, corn, white nail polish. As you can see, I should have touched up before I got here. But white is my default color when it comes to a mani. Obviously, I'm stunning and glammed up right now, but in my everyday, when I'm not wearing makeup, I guess you could say the most dolled up quality of mine at all times is a fresh mani-pedi. You know me, I'm on the dance floor, okay? Even if there's no music. And sometimes blisters happen. Kill Mary. It's a lot. It's a lot, but let's go further, okay? The most unexpected thing in my bag at the moment is my mom's peanuts, okay? They call me Snacky Chan in the sheets. They do. They really, really do. I mean, I could wear this as a perfume. So my mom has a restaurant in San Gabriel since I was in 5th grade. And she had this idea of these peanuts, $3 each, next to the cash register so people could just, you know, grab and go. It's cash only, really authentic. And the seaweed concoction, this salty love language, if you will change your life. What a vulnerable experience that was. I feel naked. And if you want more, watch Shortcomings on Netflix. And also Tiger's Apprentice on Paramount Plus. Hey! Oh my God. Listen, I'm an athlete first. 6, 7. Lucky number 8.